Good morning, students. Okay, today my topic is quadratic equations regarding some data type sums. So already we discussed about completing square method, how to apply the formula, and prime factorization method completed. So based on the data sums, how to apply the quadratic equation formulas. Okay, so in that the first question is the given. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25 centimeters. Question is, the hypotenuse of right angle triangle is 25 centimeters. The difference between lengths of the other two sides is 5 centimeters. Then what is the length of the two sides? This is a given question. So here there is no quadratic equation, but the question is regarding quadratic question only. But here there is no quadratic equation. Based on the given data, we should apply the equations. How to apply the equations regarding the data type sums? The hypotenuse of right angle triangle, here right angle triangle is given. So that's why first you should draw the right angle triangle diagram. So what is meant by right angle triangle? One of the angle in a triangle is 90 degrees. Here the angle is 90 degrees. So here suppose I will take A, this one is B and this one is C. So other two sides maybe some will be equal to 90 degrees, but one of the angle should be 90 degrees. 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. The hypotenuse, longest side of the right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Longest side, BC is the longest side. While observing the figure, we will get BC only longest side. That's why it is called a hypotenuse. The hypotenuse of the right angle triangle is 25 centimeters. The hypotenuse is 25 centimeters. So this value is 25 centimeters. This value is given. Next, the difference between other two sides, the difference is 5 centimeters. Means if one of the side is 10 centimeters, what about the remaining 15? If one of the side is 5, remaining is 10. If one of the side is 20, remaining side is 25. Means the difference between the two sides will be 5 centimeters. That's why let one of the side I will taken as a x centimeters. What about the other side? It will become x plus 5 centimeters. The difference is, what is the difference of AB and AC? Here more than 5 centimeters. That's why difference is a 5 centimeters. That's why I will take let other than the hypotenuse, remaining two sides, let I will take AB as a x centimeters. The remaining side will become x plus 5. So let AB equal to x centimeters. Next, AC equal to how much by the data? Difference is 5 centimeters. That's why x plus 5 centimeters. Hypotenuse BC value is given 25 centimeters. The question is, what is the length of the two sides? What is the length of these two sides? This length is, we know, 25 centimeters. This is the perfect value. Remaining two sides are variable, but we should find what is the value of x, what is the value of x plus 5. First, before that, first we have to calculate x value, and then addition of the 5, that value will get the other sides. Okay, here right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle always follows the Pythagoras theorem. Always follows Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So what is meant by Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is nothing but a hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two sides square sum. So that is BC square is equal to sum of the other two sides square. So that is x square, that is AB square plus AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square BC square is equal to sum of the other two sides AB, AC, their squares. Okay, now apply the values. BC, what is the BC value? 25. So that is 25 square. 25 square equal to AB equal to x square plus AC how much? X plus 5 whole square. X plus 5 whole square. Now what is meant by 25 square value? 25 square means 25 into 25. 25 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. That is 5 to 6. 625. So that is 625 equal to x square plus x plus 5 whole square. X plus 5 whole square means it is in the form of an identity. Which identity? A plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square form. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of a, what is the value of a? X. That is a square means x square plus b square. B means 5. 5 square. 5 square means 25 plus 2 into a into b. So that is 2 into a means x into b means 5. 2 into a into b. Just I am expanding this one by using the formula. This is the formula. Okay, now 625 equal to x square plus x square. Both are same variables. Both are same variables. In between what is the symbol? Plus addition. So means this is 1x square, this is 1x square. 1x square, 1x square means what? 2 times of x square. 2x square plus 25 plus 2 into x, multiplication here, 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 into x, 10x, 10x. Now this is a constant number, this one I am transposing to this side. Here plus 625, plus 25 on the left side. If it is transposed to right side, will become minus, remaining this one as it is. We are writing this one as it is. 2x square plus 25 plus 10x. We are writing this one as it is. We are not transposing this one. Just we have to transpose only one value, either this one or this one. Here I am writing this one as it is. This one only I am transposing to right side. Plus 25 will become minus 625. Minus 625 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So means 2x square. Here is there any x square variable here? No. Only one term having a x square variable. That is a 2x square. 2x square. Now after x square we should write x multiple here. 10x only single variable. So plus 10x. Next plus 25 minus 625. Both are the constant numbers. Both are constant numbers. But before the numbers we have plus here, minus here. So if it is a different signs, what we should do? Subtract. That is 625 minus 625 plus 25. It is a hundreds. It is a tens. That's why I am writing tens place. Not here 25. Okay. subtraction, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0, here 0, 6 minus 0 6, big number is 625, that's why here minus, here minus 600, minus 600, so minus 600 equal to 0, equal to 0. So now this is in the form of a quadratic equation. Finally we got a quadratic equation. By using this equation we should find the what is the x value by applying the formula or factorization or completing square method. Finally we will get a x value. That x value is nothing but here one of the side is x centimeters, that's why we will get a x value. Now here 2x square, 10x, 600. If it is any common number, we should take that one as a common. What is a common here? Here 2x square, 10x, 600. 2. 10 is a multiple of 2. 2 5 is a 10. 600 is a multiple of 2. That is 2 into 300. That's why this one I will write 2x square. This one I will write 2 into 5x minus 2 into 300 equal to 0. Now 2 get common, so now x square plus only 5, 2 already we taken outside, 5x minus 2 already outside, remaining 300 equal to 0, equal to 0. Now here 2 is multiplying, left side 2 value is multiplying. This one multiplication will transpose, will become division, 0 here, 0 by 2. So what is the 0 by 2 value? 0. So means remaining this one only will get x square plus 5x minus 300 equal to 0 only left. So means this is a quadratic equation, this is a quadratic equation. So means just we are reducing the quadratic equation form from here to here. Next. Here quadratic equation, by general in factorization method this 300 is multiplied by which value? X square multiple value in factorization method. 300 into 1, 300. 300 into 1, 300. Now we have to write the factors of 300. Factors of 300. Factors of 300. So just 1 into 300, 2 into 150, 3 into 100, 4 4s are 28, 4 4s are 28, 2 remaining, 4 5s are 20, 5 6 are 30, 0, 6 5s are 30, 7 not divisible, 8, 9, 10, 10, 30 is 300, 11 not divisible, 12, 12 2s are 12, 2s are 24, remainder 6, 60, 12 2s are 24, 12 5s are 60, 12 5s are 60. Next 13, 14, 15, 15 2s are 20, 20. Next 16, 17, 18, 19, like that we can write. Here middle number is a 5 is there, middle number is 5. So which number, here we got a 2 factors, after addition of any of the 2 factors should be equal to 5. So which one is correct? This one here, 15 20 plus, here plus 5 is there, that's why plus 20 minus 15, how much? Plus 20 minus 15 equal to plus 5. So means it is equal to middle of the x term. After multiplication 15 into 20, 300, it is matching. That's why we have to take that pair should be while additioning it will be equal to middle term. Multiplication it will be equal to constant number and x square variable. So plus 5x I am splitting this one as it is, plus 5x I am splitting like this, minus 15x plus 20x, this one just I am writing plus 5 as minus 15x plus 20x, and remaining minus 300 equal to 0, equal to 0. Now we got a 4 factors, take 2 factors as a common. So in this what is a common here? X square x only common, so remaining x here minus 15 left, 15 and 15x, plus what is the common here? There is no common term, that's why you can write 20 into 15. 300 as a 20 into 15. Now 20 is a common here. That's why 20 is a common. Remaining x minus 20 after that 15 is a common. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now we have a two factors. Now x minus 15 is common. X minus 15 is a common. Remaining x, remaining plus 20 equal to 0. So means x minus 15 equal to 0 or x plus 20 equal to 0. So x is equal to 15, x is equal to minus 20. X is equal to 20. What is the x here? Side of a AB. So side always we taken as a positive value. That's why this one is the correct answer. Therefore, side of a triangle is how much? X, that is 15 centimeters. So 15 is what here? AB. So length of AB equal to 15 centimeters. What about length of AC? AC length is x plus 5. So that is x plus 5. That is 15 plus, 5. X value is 15. Okay. 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 how much? 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Like this we will get a side of a triangle. So the method is based on the given data. First we should get finally quadratic equation. By using quadratic equation we can find the factors. That factors will be in the form of x. That x value only we need. What is x value here? Side of a AB. What is the length of the two sides? Length of the two sides is AB equal to 15 centimeters and AC is equal to 20 centimeters. Like this we will solve data type sums regarding this type of quadratic equations. Okay, next class we will continue for next sum. Thank you.